Good morning, children. In previous classes, we have completed our first lesson, second lesson. Yes, we have done revision also and we have completed our assignment 1. So, now coming to our third lesson, we have to start our new lesson, that is third lesson. That is, what can a dollar and level cents do? Here, what can a dollar and level cents do? Means here dollar and cents have means of what is happening in the lesson. We are going to learn briefly. We are going to listen the lesson now briefly. Okay. Now everyone can see the picture in the textbook. Open your textbooks and keep in front of you and see what are the pictures can be seen here. See, look at the picture. So let us discuss our questions in the what are the follow. Yes, here we can see some medical store. Yes, we can see the medical store. And also there a man and also one seller and also one girl we can see. Yes, see. And also we see medicines inside the room. Yes, now can you say what can you say about the shop? Nana, what can you say about the shop? Yes, it is a medical store. Yes, where we buy medicine. It is a medical shop where we buy medicines. And also, next question, coming to the questions given in the down, we can say that when does one go to such shops? When we go to that shops, Nana? Yes, yes, when we need some medicines. Yes, when we need some medicine, we go and buy some medicines in the medical shop. Yes, and why do you think the girl has come to the shop? Yes, we see here some girl is purchasing the girl she's purchasing some medicines. We hope here that she came to medical store, so we think that she came to buy some medicines for someone. Yes, someone, I think so. Yes, what do you think is the girl saying to the shopkeeper? What we can think? What she's talking with shopkeeper? Yes, what we think? That is, she is requesting shopkeeper to give some medicine. Yes, she's requesting to shopkeeper to give some medicine. Yes, that can we observe in the picture. Yes, everyone understood about the picture. What we can see, what the people are doing in the shop, what the shopkeeper is doing, what the girl is doing, and why we come to medical store, what we do there. Yes, everyone understood about the picture and also questions. So let us move. Now what happening about the girl? Why she's requesting to give she's asking to give the shopkeeper a medicine. Yes, everything we learn now in the lesson. Yes, what she's doing there, why she's requesting to shopkeeper. Yes, and also why they are talking briefly about medicine, why she came to purchase the medicine, for what purpose. Yes, everything will briefly be learned in the lesson. Okay, shall we go? Now open the textbook and keep in front of you. See, first of all, I am going to tell you a story time. Afterwards, let us see in the textbook paragraph. Okay? Now, everyone listen the story and listen the video carefully. Yes. What can a dollar and 11 cents do? Here, we are going to what are the meaning of dollar and cents. What are the purpose of they mention the dollars and cents here. We learn briefly in the lessons. Okay? Tess was an 8-year-old child. One day, she heard that her brother Andrew was very sick and he needed some operations to be alive. But their family was very poor. Her parents lost their hope and gave up her efforts. Tess heard from her daddy that only a miracle could save her brother. She thought that miracle was a kind of medicine. Thinking so, she took her jar of coins and went to a medical shop. She asked the chemist to give her a miracle by taking the money. The chemist sadly told her that miracles were not sold here. Dr. Carlton Armstrong, a famous neurosurgeon, heard that conversation. Then here asked her how much money she had. She cried that she had $1.11 and also told she could manage to get some more. He told to her that what was the exact price of miracle for little brother and asked her to show their house. Dr. Carlton Armstrong admitted Andrew to hospital and operated on him without any charges. Andrew recovered well. Tess' mum whispered that it was a miracle and she wondered how much it would have cost. Only one person knows the answer to that. That is none other than Tess. Yes, let us move now to the lesson. See each and every line I am going to explain. Listen carefully. What is happened to her brother and why she is going to give the dollars and cents. How much money she had. Yes, we are going to learn. Tess was at 8 years old. Here, Tess, she is a sister of Andrew. Yes, okay. Now, Tess, how many she is having? How many years she is having? 8 years girl. Yes, 8 years child. So, one day, what happened? She heard that her brother was Andrew. Who is her brother? Andrew. Was very sick, it seems. Sick. And he needed some operation to leave. So, one day, Tessa, who is none other than she had 8 years, when she went to home, she heard her brother was very sick, it seems. Then, and also her mother and father told that she needed a operation, it seems. Operation, it seems. So, she needed some operation to leave, it seems. But their family was very poor. Very poor. So, there is no money to with them and also her family was, they are very poor, it seems. Her parents lost their hope and gave up their efforts. So, when her parents listened about the operation to leave, about her brother, they did not give any efforts to chance that they want to beg. But because they don't have any money, it seems. They are very poor family, so they can't get that much money for operation, it seems. So they gave up. Means they lose their hopes, it seems, about their son. But this here from her daddy that only a miracle could save her brother. No. So Tess asked her mother and father about her brother's Andrew's health. So they did not give any chances. So just we don't have money, so we can't do anything now. Then her mother and father gave up chances to him. Then everything it is here by Tess. But her father told her that only a miracle can save her. Only miracle can save him, it seems. That may be a miracle, means that may be a God. They kept their hopes on God, it seems. But she thought that miracle was a kind of medicine. Yes, she thought. So a miracle was that miracle may be a God or a medicine. So if they have money, they can think about the medicine. So she is thinking about medicine. Medicine can cure his brother, it seems. She thought like that. So thinking so, she took her jar of coins and went to a medical shop. So what is mean by jar? That is nothing but kitty bag. So she took that jar and everything she used to save her money in that sense. So she took that jar and she went to medical shop. She asked the chemist to give her a miracle by taking the bunny. So she asked her, she requested to a shopkeeper. When she went to a shop, she requested a shopkeeper which are in the medical shop. She requesting, take this money and save my brother by giving the miracle. That miracle is nothing but here medicine. Yes. The chemist sadly told her that miracles were not sold here. Then when he heard the meaning of miracle, she told that miracle can't sold here. She told that. Then Dr. Catlon Armstrong, a famous neurosurgeon, heard their conversation. So when the conversation is taking between a girl and also a shopkeeper, then she went. Then when the doctor came, that is Dr. Armstrong, that is Dr. Carlton Armstrong, heard this conversation and told that hear this conversation is. Then he asked her how much money she had. She replied that she had $1.11 and also told she could manage to get some more. Then doctor asked her to a girl that how much money you can give your brother, how much can give for a miracle. Then I have only $11 and also $1.11. Then she told her, I can manage and I can get the more money, some more money. Then he told her that was the exact price of miracle for little brother and asked her to show their house. He told her that was the exact price of a miracle for little brother and asked her to show their house. Then doctor asked her to show the house of a girl. Then doctor and also a girl test went to house. Dr. Carlton Armstrong admitted Andrew to hospital and operated to him without any charges. Without taking any charges, without asking any money with her, doctor showed a promise to her and she admitted in the Dr. Carlton Armstrong hospital. Then Andrew recovered well. His mom whispered that it was a miracle and she wondered how much it would have cost. Then when Andrew recovered when he was become well now. Yes, he became well and he sat properly and his health is full of happiness. Then when Tess was murmuring with her mom, then mom said how much it would be cost. Only one person know the answer to that. That is none other than Tess. So only who can know this what is happening at the beginning? Only Tess can be known how much it would be cost, but it doesn't known by the mom and the father. Okay, everyone understood about the lesson? When she had $1.11, she recovered her brother and joined in the hospital and totally recovered about aneurysms. Okay, I hope everyone understood the lesson. Now go to read the lesson and read the lesson in the textbook and also you just read the adverbs which I have given. Okay, thank you. Children, now we completed our lesson. Yes, let us move for grammar. Now, here say whether the following statements are true or false. Give reasons for your answers. Correct the false statement. Yes, now Andrew Present had very little money. Yes, now everyone open your textbooks and keep in front of you and write the true or false. We complete our grammar which is on the back side in the third lesson. Grammar. Yes. Now, Andrew parents had very little money. Is it true or false? True. Everyone copy. True. Yes. Second one. Tess parents were very poor. Yes, really we have learned that Tess parents are very true. So it is true or false? True. His parents were not interested to take her little brother Andrew to the hospital. Yes, they don't have interest to take the Andrew to the hospital. No, they don't have money. Because of that money, they are hesitating to take the to hospital. So it is false. Yes or no? This is false. Andrew was seriously ill. Yes, he was seriously ill because he is suffering because very sick. Yes, and also it is true. Tess thought that a miracle was a medicine that was available in a medical store. Yes, it is really. She went to medical store and she asked the shopkeeper to give a medicine. That is, she asked a miracle to save her brother. Is it true or false? True. Yes. Now take the correct answer. I'm sorry, the chemist said, because the miracle the girl has preferred was not available in the shop, was very costly, was not a medicine. Yes, it was not a medicine. C1. Dr. Armstrong wanted to help the child, to collect a lot of money, to make fun of the child. Which is right in this? To help the child. Yes. Now, coming to the vocabulary. Now, what is given below? Some paragraph it is given. So, I am reading. Listen here. Given below is a paragraph written by students. Some words are spelled wrongly in it. Circle them and write the correct spelling. So, here in this food and nutrition, they have given the paragraph in the form of food and nutrition. In that, which is circled. The words which are circled, they are we have to circle which are wrong spelled words. Yes, wrong spelled words. Here I am going to write the paragraph. You just identify which is wrong. Which is wrong. Which is wrong. Okay? Now, we need a balanced diet to be healthy. Balanced diet provides us major nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, yes, minerals and proteins. Yes, there are two different. Yes, everyone copy. There are two different types of sources of proteins. spelt word. So we have to check that and we have to circle it. Okay, and we have to write in a correct spelling. Okay, see everyone, we need a balanced diet to be healthy. Balanced diet provides us major nutrients such as carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and proteins. There are two different types of sources of proteins: animal sources and plant sources. Animal sources include fish, eggs, meat, etc. Peas and beans are important sources of proteins. Yes, this is a paragraph given to us. From this we have to, what is the spellings are incorrectly given, so we have to circle. Which is given incorrectly, we need a balance. See, balanced spelling. When you compare here balanced and also here balanced, it is incorrectly spelled word. So we have to give a circle to a incorrectly spelled word. So now see, let us see next one. Balanced diet provides us major nutrients. What is the spelling of nutrients? N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S, nutrients. So it is wrong. So let us circle. Such as carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and proteins. Protein also different. There are two different types of sources of proteins. Here also proteins different. Animal sources and plant sources. Animal sources include fish, eggs, meat, etc. Peas and see everyone here, meat also different. Peas and beans are important sources of proteins. Here sources and also proteins is different. We have different. Now see, let us see what are the words: balanced nutrients, proteins and also proteins. Here also sources, here also meat and also proteins are the, we have the incorrectly spelled word. So let us circle. Yes, we have circle. Now we have to write in proper words. Now see, I am going to write these answers here. Everyone circle it. So now I am going to write the correct words of it given circle done by us. Okay. Now see, balanced, wrongly spelled word and also correctly spelled word. Wrongly spelled word, and also here I am going to write correctly spelled word. Balanced, nutrients, proteins, different, sources, meat. Yes. Now these are the wrongly spelled words. Now we have to write in correctly spelled word. What is balanced? B-A-L-N-C-D. Balanced. Nutrients. Nutrients. Now proteins. T-I-N-S. Proteins. Now different. F it is missing now. This different. Now sources. Meat. M-E-A-T. Meat. This is a wrongly spelled and also correctly spelled word. Now see, coming to the next bit. In each group of words below, find the odd one out and next class we will see.